Welcome. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you or teach you on how to add discount in WooCommerce. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, what you need to do is to just go ahead and open your WordPress, then click on the Woo pricing and discount section at the left side of your screen. Okay, so once you've done that, click on the pricing section. Then click Add New. Then just go ahead and fill in the needed details, names like that. And here in the status under the Add New section, just go ahead and choose Enable. The mode section, you can really just go ahead and choose whatever mode that you want. But you can just go ahead and select Simple. For adjustment types, select percentage discount. Okay, so after you've done that, under the discounted products, choose the product that you want to add a discount. Now click on the Save button at the upper part of your screen to save all of the actions that you've done. And that is how you add discount in WooCommerce product. So that's it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.